Good morning students. Om Namah Shivaya. Standard 7th Maths. Chapter 2nd. Fractions and Decimals. First of all, according to your 6th standard knowledge that we have to revise. What are called fractions? Fractions are the numbers having numerator and denominator. So another question, what are numerator and denominators? So whenever a number is written in fractional form, that is 1 upon the other numbers form, the number above that are numerators and the number below that are called denominators. For example, in 5 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Here 5 is numerator, here 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator, 3 is denominator. Now the further question is, there are how many types of fractions? So there are main 3 types of fractions. First is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? The fraction having numerator smaller than the denominator. That means the upper number numerator is always smaller as compared to denominator. Examples are 1 upon 4, 2 upon 3 and 6 upon 7. The second type of fraction is improper fraction. Just reverse to proper fraction. Proper fraction से थोड़ा reverse. Improper fraction, that is the fraction having numerator greater than the denominator. Numerator number is always greater as compared to denominator. For example, 3 upon 2 and 7 upon 6. Here 3 is greater and 2 is smaller. Mixed fractions, the fraction having both a whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction. Whole number that is 1 and fraction that is 2 upon 3. Here example, whole number is 4 and fraction that is 5 upon 6. Mixed number and improper fraction are convertible into each other. That means if mixed number is given, you can convert them into improper fraction, and if improper fraction is given, you can convert them into mixed number or mixed fraction. For example, 13 upon 7 is given. You can divide 13 by 7, that you will have 7 ones are 7 and 6 as remainder. So you can write this as one integer 6 upon 7. This one is whole number and 6 upon 7 is integer. In the same way, if you have given one integer 6 upon 7, you can write as 1 multiply 7 plus 6 and total upon 7. That will make 1 7s are 7 plus 6 13 upon 7. So this you can see both are interconvertible. 13 upon 7 can be written as 1 integer 6 upon 7. Reverse to that, 1 integer 6 upon 7 can be written as 13 upon 7. Another type is equivalent fraction. So what are equivalent fraction? The fractions having least forms equal. How many fractions you have given? All have least form. Least form, that is lowest form, also can say it, are equal, that are called equivalent fraction. For example, if you have given 1 upon 5, 2 upon 10 and 3 upon 15. So 1 upon 5, that is 1 upon 5 only. Instead of 2 upon 10, you can cut it with 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. That is 1 upon 5. In the same way, 3 upon 15 is given. Then 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So 1 upon 5. These are equivalent fractions. Okay, what are like and unlike fractions? So like and unlike fractions, the fractions in which denominators are equal, that are called like fractions, whereas the fractions in which denominators are different, that are called unlike fractions. Now, with the help of your prior knowledge, we'll solve examples. So first you have given write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is given. You have to make 5 equivalent fractions of this. So what we will do, that 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 2, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 3, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 4. The same way 3 multiply 2 and 5 multiply 2. That means 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 3 again, 3 multiply 3 and 5 multiply 3. That is 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. Here 3 multiply 4 and 5 multiply 4. That is 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. The next is 3 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 multiplied by 6 upon 6. Can write as 3 multiply 5 upon 5 multiply 5. That is 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. In the same way, here 3 multiply 6, 5 multiply 6. That is 3 6s are 18, 5 6s are 30. Okay, so here you can write 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20, is 15 upon 25, and this 18 upon 30 are equivalent to 3 upon 5. Okay. Second example, you have given in your textbook. You can take help of it. Ramesh solved 2/7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 upon 5 of it. That means two students, Ramesh and Seema, solved different part of an exercise. Who solved lesser part? For this, you must compare fractions, and for comparing fractions, the fractions must be in like fractions form. So first we will convert Ramesh solved 2/7 part. Okay, 2/7 part, and Seema 4/5 part. First we convert like fractions by taking LCM of both denominator 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So making like fractions, Ramesh 2 upon 7. For making it 5, 2 5s are 10 upon 7 5s are 35. And Seema 4 upon 5, 7 7s are 5 7s are 35 and 4 7s are 28. That means Ramesh solved 10 upon 35 part and Seema solved 28 upon 35 part. Therefore, 28 upon 35 is greater than 10 upon 35. Therefore, Seema solved, who solved lesser part? So, Ramesh solved lesser part. Okay. From example third, we'll see in next lecture. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.